Hello friends and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Bingofit fitness tracker smartwatch. And this is water resistant but not recommended for diving. First off, we're going to show you what's inside. As always, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check this out. I got this off of Amazon. Runs about $42. Okay, first off we have well, that's kind of interesting. The little charging cord, and this is USB, and also featuring. Just want to show you guys that it's a little magnetized power charger. That's kind of neat. Some of them have the micro USB, which is kind of hard to get in and out. So I like the little magnet idea on those. Okay, so we have here, looks like it comes with a little watch screen protector, which is kind of cool. And then you have your smartwatch manual. Okay, it comes in several different languages. It's pretty nice. And then we have a nice little pouch here, very soft. And inside the pouch is diamonds. No, probably a smartwatch. Okay. Alright, so we're getting there. Inside the bag is another bag. These ones are kind of tricky to open sometimes. Alright, here we go. There we go. Alright. Out there. So, charge battery before using. So here's the watch. It's all black. They have different colors, but I got the black one. And the watch band appears to be some type of rubbery silicone. Very comfortable. It has a metallic latch on the end. Let's go ahead and this, I believe, features a green lasers, and you can see the little charging port on the back. I'm going to actually demonstrate putting that on there just to show how easy it is. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. Wow, that's a lot easier than a micro USB for sure. I like how the magnets hold it in place. Let's go ahead and put this on, shall we? If I can. It's difficult to see anything below my chin with this mask on, but I managed to do it correctly anyways. Alright, so go ahead and slide that on there just like that, and we're good to go. So nice looking little watch. I'm actually going to go ahead and start charging this, and I will be doing a demonstration and review video soon. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below, as well as the link to Amazon. So okay, well, I wanted to point out real quick the watch band on the back here has that little button tab or a little tab, and it makes it easy to remove your band. I remember before when I had to take out a watch band and replace it, it's quite difficult. They didn't have this little button like that, so it's kind of cool that the technology has advanced quite a bit as far as being able to remove your watch band without having to slide a razor blade or something in there. Alright, go back in there. So that was super easy to switch those in and out. Looks to be fairly comfortable. This monitors your heart rate, blood pressure, steps, calories, notification, let's see, messages from different things. It's a camera remote, alarm clock, stopwatch, etc. So there's a bunch of stuff this thing does, and I'm going to try to touch up on all those points when I do the review. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. I'm going to go charge up this watch.